In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invoice with Xero, a complete tutorial for 2025. Ensuring you're well versed in invoicing through Xero is crucial for seamless business operations, so let's dive in. First things first, head over to Xero.com and sign into your account. It's essential to make sure that your account has the necessary invoice access permissions to proceed smoothly. Once you're on the Xero dashboard, navigate to the top menu, click on Business, and then select Invoices. This is your gateway to the invoicing section of Xero, where all your transactions are neatly organized. Here, you'll notice a variety of tabs that categorize your invoices. Let's break them down. Awaiting payment is the tab where you'll find all invoices that are due but not yet paid. Next up is paid, where all your fully settled invoices reside. There's also a draft tab which contains invoices you've started but haven't sent yet. And last but not least, the all tab conveniently holds every invoice within your system, providing a comprehensive overview. Now let's move on to viewing or editing an existing invoice. Simply click on the invoice number of the one you wish to modify or inspect. This will open up a detailed view where you can see pertinent information like customer details, items billed, total amounts, applicable taxes, and any notes attached to the invoice. If adjustments are necessary, feel free to edit the invoice here. When all is set, you can approve or send it directly to your customer, ensuring the process is both streamlined and efficient. If you need a hard copy or to save an invoice offline, downloading or printing a single invoice is straightforward. Once you've opened the desired invoice, look for the PDF print option at the top. Select your preferred format to either save as a PDF or print directly from this menu for your records or customer correspondence. In scenarios where you need to handle multiple invoices simultaneously, exporting them is a fantastic option. Navigate back to Business, then Invoices, and choose All Invoices. Apply filters to refine your selection by date, status, or customer criteria. Once filtered, click Export and choose either CSV or Excel to download the data. This facility is particularly beneficial for accounting purposes, tax filing, or compiling reports. Lastly, sending invoices directly to your clients is a breeze. Open up the invoice you want to dispatch and click Email. You'll be prompted to input the recipient's email address and any accompanying message you wish to include. Xero conveniently attaches the invoice as a PDF automatically without any extra steps from you. This ability to send invoices directly ensures prompt delivery and keeps your clients informed and on schedule. Harnessing Xero for your invoicing needs simplifies your workflow, saving you time and effort. With practice, you'll find this tool indispensable in managing your business finances effortlessly.